So guys, some official leaks are here for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10. Samsung has confirmed that it will use Qualcomm's ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for its upcoming Galaxy S10. Samsung also said that Qualcomm's ultrasonic sensor would be much more accurate than what we have seen from other Chinese manufacturers. Leaks also suggested that Samsung Galaxy S10 may have a triple camera setup just like the Huawei P20 Pro. And how can we forget the display, which will have a 100% screen to body ratio, and to achieve this Samsung is working on an in-display sound emitting system which Samsung showcased at the Society of Information Display 2018. You can see what the Samsung representative has to say about it.
Now by getting rid of the hole, you can extend the screen all the way from top to bottom for a full edge-to-edge screen.
So guys, that's it for today. I'm Shobik signing off and I will catch you in the next video.